Gentlemen and ladies, let me show you the method of reducing speed gradually going to anchorage area. Okay, so let's start. So the intended learning outcome at the end of the session, participants will be able to understand the method of reducing speed gradually for huge and standard vessel going to anchorage, and determine the amount of anchor chain to be laid out. Okay, here's for the huge vessel. Okay, kung paano po yung pag-reduce ng speed gradually. So, involved po dyan ng distance, speed, and engine orders. Prior 7 miles, we can reduce our, we can put our engine to standby and reduce gradually the RPM. Okay, and the speed is about 12 knots. And 6 miles to go, we can put our engine to half ahead, and the speed will reduce about 10 knots. So 5 miles, we can put half ahead, 4 miles, slow ahead. And then 3 miles, we can put the engine to stop. Okay? And so the basic keywords is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So, start the engine, up, slow, then stop. So, let's demonstrate for you. Okay, in case of huge vessel, so assuming we are in the radar, okay, so 7 miles, the one scale, okay, one nautical scale, 1 nautical mile scale. That's slow. Then 3 miles to go. Pagdating ng 3 miles, stop engine. Okay. So, after putting the engine on stop, you have a speed around 5 knots, still have speed, or headway about 5 knots. Then, so 3 miles to go. Then you can put half mile to go, you can put dead slow astern. Okay? And slow astern and half engine. Half mile to go, stop taking heavy fight. Putting the engine from slow astern to half astern. And then drop anchor. Okay? Next. Method of reducing speed gradually in case of ordinary ship or standard naman po. So, doon po sa una is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay? Ang keyword naman natin dito sa mga standard vessel is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So, 5 miles to go. Doon tayo mag-standby engine. And speed is about 12 knots. And 4 miles to go to anchorage area. Okay? 10 knots speed and engine half ahead. 3 miles to go. Okay? So, gradual po yan, no? Until 1 mile to go, then stop engine. Okay? Standard po yan. So, sometimes, pag maganda ang weather, okay, about half mile ako nag-stop engine. Okay? Pero ang speed ko niyan is nasa 4 knots na. Okay? So, be aware din saan ba galing ang kuryente. If from the eastern, yung kuryente, so 1 mile pa lang stop ka na. Okay? So, let's demonstrate. And so, 1 nautical mile scale sa radar, assuming. Yan. Okay. Up, going 3 miles, then 3 miles to 1 mile. Slow ahead. Then, dead slow ahead. Then, stop engine. Okay. Pag half mile to go, yan, half mile. Okay. Mag-slow as turn ka rin yan. Dead slow as turn hanggang half. Okay? And that's it. Yung banggit ko kanina, before you put your engine to standby, so you can reduce the RPM gradually. Okay? To meet the speed of about 12 knots when you reach the 5 nautical miles. Okay? So, how to determine amount of anchor chain to be laid out. So, A and B po, yung A is for normal anchoring, normal weather. Ang formula is S divided by, S is equals to 3 times 3 times D plus 90. So, pag rough weather naman, 4. Okay, ang kanyang constant and 145 yung additional chain to be laid out. Okay, what is S? S is the length of anchor to be laid out. Okay, and D is for the depth of water. Okay, so let's have an example. Halimbawa, for example, 30 meters in depth. Okay, for normal weather times 3 plus 90 meters is equals to 180 meters divided by 27.5. That is how 1 length of a shackle. Okay, equals 6.5 shackles about. How about a rough weather anchoring? So same length, same depth. Okay, different multiplier lang po times 4, and then yung kanyang additional length is 145. Okay, so 265 divided by 27.5 is equals to 9.6 shackles, or about 10 shackles po ang i-layout natin. Okay, so that's all po mga kabaro, mga katartik. Again, this is Captain Opi. Thank you.